I'm Drew Gholson with Mississippi State University, located at the Delta Research and Extension Center in Stoneville. And the project is about really irrigation water management practices. And two main focuses that we're looking at within the proposal or the project. And that's one being there's a lot of proven irrigation water management practices that we know can save time, can save water, and ultimately save the farmer money by utilizing these practices. And so the focus of that is adopting and promoting adoption of those irrigation practices. And we use several different methods to go about promoting adoption of these practices: a one-on-one consultation, setting up demonstration sites, and working with growers through soil moisture sensor education. So it's a season-long program where we're working with them one-on-one. We purchase through support of the Soybean Promotion Board, we purchase sensors, telemetry sets, and we walk through that whole process: installation, irrigation decisions, interpreting the data, and then we have a season-ending meeting where we go through different ways we can work with the grower and help adoption, and seeing great results with that. We're looking at creating extension fact sheets and videos that allows the grower to answer those common questions on how do I use this data, how do I make a decision with irrigation with this data. Okay, the importance of saving water is just making sure we have this natural resource for future generations, and we want to make sure that the practices that we can utilize are not only going to save the water but save the farmer money and time as well, and we have shown that these practices do all three of those things. I really appreciate the support that we have from the Mississippi Soybean Promotion Board. Without their support and their funding, it would be very difficult for us to be able to do all the things that we're researching, evaluating, and ultimately going through from extension work, trying to get in the hands of the producers and save water, save time, and save money. And we appreciate the support from the Soybean Promotion Board. And if you want any more information or about my project or any other projects, please visit mssoy.org.